In today's video, I'll teach you how to create your Pay account. First of all, launch open your Pay application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here your Pay application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find two options, login, register. What you have to do is tap on this option, register, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to initiate the registration process. First of all, what you have to do is enter the mobile number, national ID or border number over here. So tap on the field of mobile number. Now what you have to do is provide your mobile number over here. After you enter the mobile number, proceed to enter the national ID or border name over here. Now if you have the invitation code, toggle this button on right next to the option do you have invitation code, otherwise do not toggle it on. Now what you have to do is check on this option accept terms and conditions. Also check on the option accept privacy policy. Now what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Right now, the mobile number of my country and the national ID is not supported by UrPay, but I'll tell you what to do. Now, after you do that, you'll receive a verification code, that is OTP, on your registered phone number. What you have to do is enter that OTP over here. After you enter the OTP, you'll be redirected to enter the personal information. What you have to do is simply provide the informations that they tell you to provide. This may include your name, address, date of birth, etc. Now, after you provide the personal information, you'll have to set up the password or PIN for yourself. Create a very secure PIN or password in order to log into your account. You'll also have to complete the identity verification process. You might be requested to verify your identity. So what you have to do is simply go through the face verification process using the app's camera. Follow through all the prompts and set up the account. Complete the required information in order to finalize your wallet creation. Now once you do that, your account will be created and you can use the account. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create your Pay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.